buses? Yeah, that's right. They just graduated. You know where they're going? They're going to Sensation.
Sensation, baby!
Sensation. Yep. You look at this guy. Sensation. What thing he's thinking about?
Alright, what's up guys? We are Sky Level Entertainment and we are bringing to you Sensation at the Government. We have our Toronto team here.
What's up?
Toronto's where it's at. Shit, we're the government. Oh, I can run a Sensation.
That should all reach Sensation.
You got a time of your life.
Guys, take a look at our DJ lineup. It is crazy. Look at that. Every single room a crazy DJ.
Sky Level.
You got MC.
Sky Level takes over the Government Entertainment Complex.
We got MC Shingo.
This year in person.
Party fingers. Party fingers.
Yo, what's a guan? She's going to Sensation and I'm following her. Let's go. Let's go, Sensation.